for the next 20-25 minutes. And
Okay, sir.
I suggest each one is guru for the other. You can ask questions about Federal Bank, about current affairs, about banking, all these things. Please go ahead. I wish you all best of luck. Have an interesting time. This you will not get such an opportunity to be together, and especially people who are well preparing. Okay, please carry on. Talk only in English. Please carry on.
Okay, sir. Okay,
And
can I start now?
Yes.
Yes, you can.
Okay. Can we go with banking awareness questions?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First thing, what do you know about banking? Or what is a bank? What will be your answer for this question?
Bank is a
The bank-
financial. Okay, Alan, you can.
Okay, the bank is a financial institution that accepts deposits from the customer and lend money to the customers in a interest.
Okay. You should also mention a point. It's a perfectly a right answer, but you can add one word: collecting deposit and lending money on demand. You can add that one word. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, a correct answer. Okay. What do you know about RBI? 1 or 2, 3 points about RBI.
Okay, let me
Any
answer
one of
this.
you. Okay.
Yes. RBI is the Central Bank of India. It is known as Reserve Bank of India. It was established on 1935 under RBI Act 1934, and
Okay.
it has the governor of RBI is Shaktikanta Das with four deputy governors.
Can you mention the 4
then,
deputy governors?
Yes, the first one is Swaminathan Janaki Raman, Michael Devabhatta Patra, then Ravi Shankar, then the other one Rajeshwar Rao.
Rajeshwar Rao. Yes. Okay. It's correct. Anything you want to add to RBI? Any points? Additional points?
RBI was formed due to Hilton Young Commission during the
Okay.
early stages.
Okay.
And
Very good.
our new executive director, Munish Kapoor.
Okay. Recently, executive director have been added. Who's that? Anyone read about the current events?
Yeah. I think he is a Munish Kapoor.
Actually, I was not also confirm about it. Raghuram Rajan, something you just check it over. Sir has posted in our group.
Okay,
He
but
had made a video about it. You just go through it, okay? I'm not sure about his name. And can you mention few functions of RBI?
Yes, functions of RBI, we have it decides the monetary policy in a bi-monthly basis. Then it is the regulatory body of all the banks in India. It is a banker to government, also banker to banks.
Okay.
Yes.
If there are few more also, but it's sufficient. You go through that also, like regulator of payment settlement, foreign exchange management.
Foreign exchange management.
It's I have to mention that foreign exchange also. Okay, very nice. Anyone who want to ask questions can ask. Sir told to ask. Each and everyone can ask questions. So anyone who's interested can ask the questions. I'll also accompany you.
Yes.
It just be free. I'm a candidate like you. Don't worry. If it's wrong, it's fine.
Okay.
Yes.
Gurupriya, who is our role
Yes.
model?
Of
Other
course.
than the family?
Other. Ah, yes. Can you get me?
Yeah, other than your
Hello.
relatives. Yeah, can you?
Other than relative, it's like not my role model. I like the personality of Elon Musk. His broad-minded. I like his approach because he is not afraid of anyone in this world. He does the thing what he likes, and he doesn't even think about what could be the effect of what he's doing. There is also some negative comments about Elon Musk, but I only see the positive things in Elon Musk. That's the thing I have to mention. Any other questions? It's not for only me. You can ask to any other one also.
Yes, okay. Anyone
Hello?
answer? Tell me some of the digital products of Federal Bank in short.
Fed Mobile, Fed E-Mobile,
Okay.
Lotsa, FedNet, Fed E-Trade, Fed E-Point.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice.
Fedbook.
And another one doubt for me, if
Okay.
they ask us to tell about the digital products of Federal Bank, should we say
Okay.
only the name, or should one line explanation should be given along with?
No. You just mentioned the name as she mentioned above. No, like that you mentioned the
Ah,
name. In case they ask to expand or tell anything in detail, you
any
just
one of it. Okay.
yes. If they mentioned, tell me about Fed Mobile. In that case, you can mention. Otherwise, you don't have that sufficient time to mention each and every
Ah,
product. So that if you go with the names, it would be perfect. I think so. It's my point of view. You can also confirm with this, sir. Okay.
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 Yes.
Okay, I ask one question, anyone can add it.
Ah,
One nation,
okay.
one election. Who's the chairman for the committee?
Sorry, guys. I don't know. I'm not aware of it. I'll update it.
Any other? Okay. It is Ramnath Kovind.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ramnath
Fine.
Govind for One Nation. What you have asked?
Yeah, for
One-
one nation election.
One question, right?
Okay.
Okay. Coming to Federal Bank. What do you know about Federal Bank?
Federal
Anyone?
Bank is. May I?
Yes.
Federal Bank is one of the
Anyone?
most leading. Federal Bank is one of the most leading private sector in India. It headquarters is in Alwa, Kerala, and it has a branching outlets of 1,400, and it has ATMs of 1,369.
One minute. Sorry for the interruption. In some cases, they have mentioned, it seems, tell about Federal Bank, but you don't need to mention about the headquarters or tagline. That those common things they told not to mention, it seems. Other than the basic things, any specifications like quarter two results, like that you can say now, or
Okay.
CSR activity. Because they have mentioned particularly, it seems.
Okay. The recent CSR activities of the bank is Sanjeevani program, that is to fight against the cancer. And about the Q2 results, the total business of the bank is 4,24,685.12 crore. Net profit, that is highest ever at 953 crore. And the GNPA ratio decreased by 2.26 percentage, and NNPA ratio decreased by 0.64 percentage. And the total deposits 2,32,868 crore, and the total net advances 1,92,816 crore. And the net worth of Federal Bank is 26,032 crore. And the agri advances of the Federal Bank is 25,115 crore. The market capitalization is 34,102 crore.
Market capitalization, what you mentioned?
34,102 crore.
Okay, but I don't know what's that correct. I think so. It would be around, because I saw in around billions. That is
Yeah, that
343.
is 341.02 billion. So I converted it into crore.
Okay, okay. In that case, you converted it in a right way. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay about Q2 results.
So about federal bank, other than this basic, what we need to say?
Like it was
You can
expanded to 100 branches.
yes, you can mention that.
And also we
Okay.
can pay credit card bill through Bharat Bill Payment System by NPCI. And
Yes.
lifetime free credit card. And
Okay.
also now they have entered the first time federal bank, like the federal bank is the first to introduce REKYC using ATM.
These are the recent current news. You can mention these also. And they're being the title sponsor for Lucknow Run. These are the current
Lucknow
yes, these are the current events.
Lucknow, what is that? I don't get it.
marathon in Lucknow on
Um,
November 5th.
November
Your
5th.
voice is breaking. Can you repeat?
November 5th, Lucknow Round Marathon is going to be held. Federal Bank is the title sponsor for that marathon.
Okay,
Is
okay.
that audible?
Yeah, it's audible.
Okay.
Title sponsor of 95th marathon in Lucknow.
Not
Yes.
95th.
95th, not. I just saw they were the title sponsor. I'm not sure about that 95th.
Okay, okay.
Anyone know about it?
No, I don't know whether it is. I don't see that like numbers.
Okay, okay. You can. I think
So
so. They have.
after Kochi, Madurai, and some other, I think Mumbai or some other place. After that, it was in Lucknow.
Okay, okay, okay. That's fine. You just go through it. They're also asking. I saw one question. What is the Federal Bank Instagram followers? They asked the count. Yes. You just go through that also.
Yeah,
And
I also.
you also saw after seeing that question.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay.
Then about that, we need to mention only the recent news of Federal Bank.
Not like that. Whatever things you think it's
We
important,
can
you
say
can.
about the loans provided by the Federal Bank, digital products provided by the Federal Bank.
Okay. But main thing is that sir told me to mention. First thing is about all the headquarters, who founded, and tagline about it. And I said about the CSR activity at that time. Sambasavan sir told me to mention about the Q2 results, and he also mentioned me to tell to the panel members about the awards won by the Federal Bank. You go through that also. I think you have been. You know about that, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And also be aware of that 41 percentage women that no? That is women employees.
No.
Employees in Federal Bank.
No, what is that?
That is for women employment. They are giving reservation for women 41 percentage for employment.
Oh, in Federal Bank.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, you should know about it. Then.
Okay. Then awards of Federal Bank, best place for women to work and best place for millennials to work.
Okay, there are many awards in that. The most important thing is the you mentioned, no? These two are the most important thing. There are many awards. I think so that Infosys that award is there. You can go through that, but if you read many awards, you would get confused. But be aware of it. That's it.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Any other doubt? Banking questions. Other than that, who is the chief secretary of Tamil Nadu? It's about
Doc,
GP question.
I think
Tamil Nadu chief secretary.
Shivdas Meena,
Yes,
Mr.
right.
Shivdas Meena IAS.
Yes, it's Shivdas Meena. It's right.
And
And you
also, Guru,
also yes,
I have a
yes.
that in CSR activity, the funds will be allotted in the basis of the profit of the bank after exceeding the 5 crores. Is it correct?
Actually, I'm not sure about it. Can you please ask when Sar arrives?
Yeah,
I'm not.
okay.
Okay. You just make a reminder and ask. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Also, can you know about Chief Justice of Tamil Nadu?
No, I have no idea.
I think Sanjay Vijay Gangapurwala. I think so. Madras High Court Chief Justice is him. It
Okay.
has to go through all these current events. I mean, who's Chief Secretary, Chief Justice, and you
Okay.
have prepared the cabinet ministers, right?
Yeah.
Then it's fine. Add these also, and also union ministers also you have read, no? Their portfolios.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Then it's fine.
Then I have
And
one doubt about repo rate and reverse repo rate. Can anyone say that?
can anyone mention?
Yeah, I know,
Hello?
but still, if Gurupriya explains, I think it will be clear.
It's not like that. If you know, you just explain. I'm also not very sure about it. Okay.
Okay, you explain. If I have points more than you, I will explain. I will continue with it.
Okay. Repo rate is the bank will get loan from the RBI. For that, they will fix if a bank approaches for a loan to the RBI, they will fix some interest for that loan. No, that rate is known as repo rate, and the reverse is reverse repo rate. For during the inflation, there will be more cash flow in our country. No, for the suction of money, what will the RBI do is that they will try to get they will try to suck the money from our country through like issuing any bonds so that bank would buy. No, through that case, it will happen. I think so. I'm not sure about it. They will say that
what is the doubt? What is the doubt you had?
Sir,
they
reverse repo rate.
Pardon?
Reverse repo rate, sir.
Let me tell you.
It's-
See, repo rate is the rate at which I have posted a video on this. I have posted a video on this wherein all the details have been explained. It is there in one magazine. I have explained about it. See, repo rate is the rate at which Reserve Bank of India lends money to scheduled commercial banks for short term. Normally this, but don't commit yourself short term. You tell like that and keep, because some people say 14 days, some people say 90 days. A reverse repo rate is the rate at which banks park their excess funds with the Reserve Bank of India, supported by government securities. And the rate of interest offered by RBI to banks is 3.35. Similar to this is standing deposit facility, where also the banks having surplus funds, they can park their funds with RBI, but not supported by government securities. To be honest, I do not know what is the big difference between these two in as much as money is going to be with RBI, but this is what that particular say material says. That is the money is parked at in RBI at its request. You can't, bank cannot go and put the money of its own. If the RBI requests, then they can go and put it. That situation will be there only when the inflation is very high, like we had initially. At that time, that was thought of. But now that situation is not there because I think in the month of September or so, the inflation was only 5.02 or 5.20. I don't know. That was only was the inflation. Then next one is bank rate. Bank rate is the rate at which Reserve Bank lends money to commercial banks for long term. That is 6. Again, all these advances are given by banks supported by government securities. Similarly, that is 6.75. Why after all this, why there is MSF? MSF means marginal standing facility. This is for emergency use. Immediate, that is one night, 3 days. If they take money on Friday, probably it will be with them for 3 days. And if the Saturday is a working day, they will ask them to adjust on Saturday. That much emergency borrowings is done at 6.75%. Is it okay? I think there is a video on this. 1 minute. அதுக்கு பேர் வந்து என்ன MPC Marginal Policy Committee rates அப்படின்னு I posted a video on this Marginal Policy Committee. MPC Marginal
Monetary
Monetary Policy.
Policy.
Correct. Monetary policy. Correct. தப்பா சொல்லிட்டேன். Now
Nice.
playlist. இதுல வந்து நமக்கு என்ன வேணும்? நான் எல்லாத்துலயுமே போட்டிருந்தேன் நினைக்கிறேன். எல்லாத்துலயுமே போட்டிருந்தேன். பட் ஒரு நிமிஷம். நான் இப்படி வரேன். மேனேஜ் வீடியோஸ் வரேன். மேனேஜ் வீடியோஸ் வந்துட்டு I will come to manage video, come to playlist. Playlistல எது குறைவா இருக்கும்? பாம் இன்டர்வியூ தான் குறைவா இருக்கும். ஸோ இதுல போலாம். பாம் இன்டர்வியூல போனாக்க இங்க பின்னாடி வரணும். இட் வில் பி சம் 1510 நோ 1510ல இல்லை, இப்போ ரீசெண்டா போட்டேன் 2010 ஐபிபிஎஸ் ஃபெடரல் ஐபிபிஎஸ் Bangalore Widows Bank of Maharashtra. Anybody sees that? Please tell me. HR, electrical, digital, monetary policy terms. அப்படின்னே ஒரு வீடியோ போட்டிருந்தேன். Monetary policy terms. 1 minute. Monetary policy terms. I posted a video for that. சரி, இப்படி சர்ச் பண்ணுவோமா? எஸ் சாம்பசிவன் மானிட்டரி பாலிசி டேர்ம்ஸ். View all.
Sir, it's a 4-minute video, sir.
Yeah, it's a 4-minute video. Not a big one. And I think it must be there in our, say.
Sir, shall I share it in our group, sir?
No, I think I have shared it in our group. 1 minute.
Okay,
Fed PO here. It must be there. I can go through this 1 minute. I am having my cell phone. You also search in our WhatsApp group. Please search in WhatsApp group. I have shared it. Acha. I think it will come in our Telegram. Laisa kadeko. Telegram.
Sir, I found it in YouTube.
Yeah. Please share it
I'll
in
share
our
it in our group, sir.
it is my video or somebody else video?
That
Hello?
4 minutes video.
Is it my video or somebody else video?
Your video only, sir. That
Ah,
4 minutes
the-
video, sir.
Yeah, there will be 2 videos like that. 4 minutes, 4
Okay.
minutes. And which date is that?
Sir, it's mentioned 1 month ago, sir.
1 month ago. Yeah.
Oh.
It's okay. You can see that afterwards. When you get time, you please go and see it. That's nice. Thank you. Now, was the discussion useful for you, Guru Priya, Anil Jaffi, Darshana, and Subiksha? Subiksha had to log out in
Yes,
between,
sir.
it seems.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was power cut in my house, sir. So
No
I
problem.
left and I rejoined.
No problem. Thank you. Thank you, Guru Priya, for coming and helping me. You have done a great